Turmeric as skincare savior. In the quest for radiant, youthful skin, nature often holds the key. Turmeric, the golden spice renowned for its culinary prowess, is also a powerhouse when it comes to skincare. From ancient Ayurvedic practices to modern beauty regimes, turmeric has emerged as a trusted ally in achieving healthy, glowing skin. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric is rich in curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties make turmeric a natural remedy for conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Incorporating turmeric into skincare can help soothe inflammation, reduce redness, and promote overall skin health. 2. Brightening Effect Turmeric is hailed for its ability to brighten the complexion and fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Regular use of turmeric-based skincare products can help even out skin tone, leaving behind a luminous, radiant glow. 3. Acne-fighting abilities. Turmeric's antibacterial properties make it an effective weapon against acne-causing bacteria. It helps unclog pores, reduce sebum production, and calm inflammation, making it an invaluable addition to acne-prone skincare routines. 4. Anti-aging benefits. Free radicals are one of the primary culprits behind premature aging. Turmeric's antioxidant properties neutralize these free radicals, helping to prevent wrinkles, fine lines, and other signs of aging. Additionally, turmeric promotes collagen production, which enhances skin elasticity and firmness. 5. Exfoliation and detoxification. Turmeric can gently exfoliate the skin, removing dead cells and impurities to reveal smoother, brighter skin underneath. Its detoxifying properties help purge toxins from the skin, leaving it feeling clean, refreshed, and rejuvenated. 6. DIY delights. Harnessing the power of turmeric at home is easy with DIY skincare recipes. From face masks to scrubs to serums, there's a plethora of DIY turmeric skincare treatments to suit every skin type and concern. However, it's essential to patch test first, as turmeric can stain the skin, especially in higher concentrations. 7. Holistic healing. Beyond its topical benefits, consuming turmeric internally can further enhance its skincare benefits. Adding turmeric to your diet through curries, teas, or supplements can promote overall skin health from the inside out. In conclusion, turmeric is a versatile skincare ingredient that offers a myriad of benefits for all skin types. Whether you are dealing with acne, dullness, or aging concerns, turmeric has something to offer. Embrace the golden secret of turmeric and unlock the key to radiant, glowing skin.